So this piece of music is completely different from the one that you've just played, the Wise Oak Tree. The Wise Oak Tree was gentle and beautiful and calm, whereas this one sounds very sort of spooky. It says mysteriously at the beginning. So maybe imagining a haunted forest with a wind whistling through it in a really menacing way. Now, to get this menacing feel, we've got something called a crescendo and a diminuendo, and I just want to explain that a bit more. This piece is all about dynamics, louds and softs. So, can you see at the beginning we've got P, which hopefully you remember now is soft. It stands for the Italian word piano, means soft, and then F, forte, which means loud. And in between this, we've got this funny thing here, which looks a bit like a hairpin going from narrow to wide, and that means you get gradually louder. And you can see here they tell you it's called a crescendo. That's the Italian word for it, crescendo. So you get gradually louder, and then you can probably guess this means getting gradually softer, and that's called diminuendo. There's the word there, the Italian word. So the effect of that, I start soft and then I go gradually loud up to that B there, and then I get soft again to there. It sounds really spooky, that. Now, it sounds quite difficult, that. There's a lot of notes there, aren't there? And a big, long slur. But actually, the notes aren't too bad. You start on our new note E here. Make sure your thumb's in the right place. Pull back. And you just peel one note up, one finger off at a time as you go up one note. So, like this. One note up at a time, one finger up at a time. And then one finger down for each note as you go down. Like that. Then in the second line, you've got F here for this bar, which is loud, forte, and then P, piano for this bar. So it's like an echo. You do loud and then a soft echo. So I'll just play you what that sounds like. Now soft. So to get all these louds and softs and these gradually getting louder and gradually getting softer, you're thinking of blowing more strongly as you play loudly. So faster, stronger air speed. So you're going to take a nice deep breath in, so you've got plenty of air to have a nice strong airstream to make a loud sound.